So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can very quickly and easily switch up clips or just straight move them inside the free version of Davinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. So inside of Davinci here, if you have a lot of clips on your timeline, you know that if you try to switch a clip, it can be very difficult because Davinci just covers up the one under it. So you might just lift it up and then it gets all messed up with everything else in your timeline. And when you need to do this across your entire thing, it gets very annoying. So here's how to fix it. Simply just click on the clip that you want to move and then hold Command and Shift on your keyboard. Then you're going to use the comma or the period key to simply move the clip left or right on your timeline, and Davinci Resolve automatically moves the other clips. But if you simply just hold Command and Shift, Davinci will move the other clips around it, and you can put it wherever you want instead of just in between each one. So you could put a clip in between one and it just makes it a lot easier. So if you like this video or maybe it was helpful, go ahead and click on this one next, and I'll see you in the next one.